Hi guys, my name is Prasad and this is the first video of Middleware Rambling, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create your own server on Google Cloud. So Google Cloud offers free trial for 1 year. I have been using this since you can see almost 1 year now, only 41 days are remaining. They also provide you some credit in terms of rupees. Like I think it is around, yeah, it's around the same 90,200 odd rupees. I haven't been using this much, so that's why my credit is intact. It's just that my trial period is ending up. So in this video, I won't be showing you exactly how you can enroll for this. I'm pretty sure that you can figure it out by yourself. It's pretty simple and straightforward. The only thing uh, you have to know that while enrolling to Google Cloud platform, you have to provide your credit card details, and as long as you keep your usage low, they are not going to bill you anything like that. So we are not going in depth as to how the billing is set up, or like it will take a long time. So I'll come straight to the point and we will start creating the VM instance that we will be using for the next video, in which will be an web server related video. So here it is pretty straightforward. Whenever you log into your Google Cloud platform, you will see something like this. All you got to do is go to Compute Engine and click on VM instance, and here it will guide you for creation of a VM instance or a server. So here I'll give the name of the server, like my web server 1, and you can select the region. You can select any region close by to your current region. So I am in India, so I'll just select Mumbai so that there is not much latency, and other things are okay. You don't want to increase any CPUs or um, the memory over here. So I think everything else is fine. Let's see if we can change the Linux type. What options do we have? We have CentOS 6, 7, Ubuntu. Let's go for a CentOS version, because this is one of the Linux versions that I have used. And apart from that, it will ask you about your account. It can be your default account, and then if you want to allow the traffic or not. For now, I won't be allowing any traffic, and it will. You can also go in depth in some other options. We are not going to go over there. So we will see what is the mechanism for logging into this um, server. So let's see. So here it asks me to um, enter the key for logging into the server. So what I'm going to do over here is I am going to create a key. So let me do that. Let me first open my terminal, and let me create a key. So the command is ssh-key gen -t and RSA. So I think it will be the default path. Enter passphrase. I can type the passphrase that I want. Enter the passphrase again. Okay, so I have to enter at least 5 characters. Now the key has been generated. Okay, now I would want that public key. So this is the public key over here. I'll just copy that, paste it over here, and I would copy it from here to here, and thus I can create my web server 1. Now it's getting created over here. As you can see, it will take a couple of minutes to come up. It will give me the internal IP, external IP. As you can see, it has provided me with an external IP, so I can simply copy it, go to my terminal. Let me maximize this, clear this, and do SSH to this IP, and I'll say yes. So now it will ask me for my password, which I am going to enter here, and now I am in my web server. So this is how you can create a web server on Google Cloud Platform. It is pretty straightforward. So my web server is currently up, and as you can see, I am able to log into my web server via SSH. So that's it, guys. I'll end my video over here. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for future videos related to middleware field. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.